Back with us here on Midcap Radar, and the market has seen a significant surge throughout the month of June, and especially the lows that it made from the 4th of June. It's been a one-way recovery, particularly the Nifty Bank as well, from almost slipping below 46,000 levels. It has now recovered almost 7,000 points from those levels. And JM Financial has come out with a very interesting note on the stocks that have seen a very significant run-up. It advises booking profits in some of them, and it also advises some recommendations which are on the verge of a breakout. So Rahul Sharma, the director and head of technical and derivatives at JM Financial Services, is joining in now to discuss more about this report. Rahul, good afternoon. Thank you for joining in. I read through your report. It mostly talks about a lot of these stocks that have seen a significant run-up over the last, say, 6 to 8 months. And there's no surprise, a lot of them features the capital goods names, the defense names. Take us through the rationale for this recommendation that you have given in booking profits in these names.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Hormaz. So, Kalki 2024 is the report that we've released, which primarily highlights or rather the name suggests is actually described in the Puranas as a regeneration or existence as a new avatar coming from a destructive period. So Nifty is at 24,000, but there are a lot of stocks which have not participated in this rally. The bigger problem at hand with a lot of clients is, where do we bring the money from? So what we've done is we've created a list of 26 stocks where we feel they are overbought technically on 5-year, 10-year time frames. What that means is you could book profits. It may not be the end of bull market for these stocks, but because they've done extremely well over the last few months, it is advisable to take profits in them and move on to a new list of stocks, 26 to be precise, which we feel that can outperform in the months to come. So if you have like a 1-year kind of a horizon, we feel these are the stocks which can do extremely well. So coming to the hit list, a lot of these names are from the capital goods space, namely ABB. You have Siemens. You have something like a Trend which has month on month done extremely well. From the auto space, it is Bajaj Auto, which is enjoying the time of its life. Now, these are the stocks which are overbought as, on 10, 15, 20-year time scales, which is why we feel the time is right at Nifty 24,000 plus to be booking profits in them. Now, on the flip side, there are a few stocks, which have not participated in an equal manner in this bull run. They possess a very, very strong technical setup, and the breakout, once it happens, some of them are in the process of the breakout. And once the breakout happens, we feel there is a 30 to 50% kind of an upside that can be had in the coming 12 months time frame. So just to quickly take you through some of these names which we feel can do extremely well, from the pharma pack, we have Aarti Drugs doing a position very well, going in the alphabetical order. We have Affle from the IT space, which is coming out from a 3-year kind of a consolidation, ready for a breakout. From the chemical space, Alkyl Amines looks like the perfect candidate for a big reversal, and the kind of catch-up that these chemical stocks can play, especially after the 3-4 year bear market that they have seen, is significant. On the auto space, another heavyweight that looks very good is Ashok Leyland. It is more of a momentum candidate, but after multiple quarters of hitting resistance around the 200 area, technically this has given a breakout, and we feel this can very well head towards the triple century. Then we have something like
Okay, we'll just try. There is some technical error, but we'll try connecting with you in just a bit, Rahul. But just for the benefit of our viewers, some of the stocks which Rahul or JM Financial recommend could be on the wish list include the like of Aarti Drugs, there's Alkyl Amines, Ashok Leyland, Avanti Feeds, Canfin Homes, Deepak Nitrite, there's Divi's Labs, City Union Bank. So a lot of these chemical names, as he was pointing out earlier as well, which have not done well, could be on the list as well. Rahul, we have your list, and of course we understand a lot of these chemical names, they underperform, so there could be a comeback. But a specific name that I saw in the list, and that's Vodafone Idea. From its FPO price, it's already up, right, 70-80%, right? Do you still think there are more triggers here? You said maybe a 30 to 40% upside from current levels as well. That goes for Idea as well?
Yes, absolutely. So, if you look at the technical setup, it has been like 3 consecutive months that the stock has seen an expansion in volumes. technically speaking, this is a bullish pull in a flag pattern that we've spotted, and the projected targets of which are anywhere in the vicinity of 24 to 28 on the upside. So we feel, this telecom is already in the pink of health, especially after the recent price hikes that we've seen. If you're holding Bharti Airtel in your long-term portfolio, it is advisable to book profits. The stock has done extremely well. Probably, switch some of it to, Idea, which can do very well. And then you have the likes of, the smaller run banks like IDFC First Bank, which can also be added into the scheme of things.
Would have loved to speak more on this, Rahul, but we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks a lot for joining in and sharing with us your views on this very specific note that JM Financial has come out with. Time for a short break here on Midcap Radar. More on the markets and specific stocks on the other side. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.